The Finnish smartphone manufacturer HMD Global has launched its new budget-friendly smartphone in Nigeria and gonna called HMD Luma. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The HMD Luma features a 6.67-inch HD Plus display with a up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a 50-megapixel main camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the HMD Luma comes powered by Uni SoC T615 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.5 by 8.65mm, and it weighs around 197.9 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details at the moment, and we expect the phone to be priced around 140,000 Nigerian nairas. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in the country in blue and titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Luma smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.